To do the Macarena, first remember each move corresponds to one beat in the music. Start by putting your right arm in front of you, parallel to the floor and palm down. Then do the same with your left arm. Turn your right palm upwards and then your left palm. Next, bend your right arm and put your right hand on your left shoulder. Place your left hand on your right shoulder so your forearms are crossed in an X shape on your chest. After that, take your right hand and rest it on the right side of your head. Do the same thing on the left side of your head with your left hand. Bring your right hand to your left hip and your left hand to your right hip. Then uncross your arms by putting your right hand on your right hip and your left hand on your left hip. Lastly, move your hips in a circle 3 times before jumping and turning your body 90 degrees to the left. Keep repeating these steps until the song is over.